If log A is to log B is to log C is equal to 3B minus 2C is to 5C minus 3A is to 2A minus 5B, then which of the following options makes sense? Well, we'll have to go with the options. So let's say log A is equal to 3B minus 2C. Let's assume these are the values. And log B is equal to 5C minus 3A. And let's say log C is equal to 2A minus 5B. Now, if I need A to the power B or A to the power C or A to the power A, that means I am supposed to multiply log A with the same power that we have, right? Suppose if I check option A, if this is the answer or not. So I'm supposed to multiply this with B so that I will have log A to the power B, which is going to be B times 3B minus 2C. And similarly, I'll have to multiply the second equation with C so that I get, I'm going to multiply the entire thing, right? Not only the LHS. So we will have log of B to the power C is equal to C into 5C minus 3A. And similarly, if I multiply the third equation with A, I will have log C to the power A is going to be C A times 2A minus 5B. Now, if we are going to add all the three logs, we are going to have log A to the power B into B to the power C into C to the power A. And if I want the overall value to be 1, this should be equal to 0. So when the value of a log is 0, then only you get the value as 1, right? This will be equal to 1. So log 1 is 0. So that means if we add the RHS, it should cancel out everything. But we are going to have 3B square and 5C square and 2A square, which is not going to get canceled. So we'll have to go by the options. So obviously A is not our answer. So let's try some other scenario. Let's go with a case where the option is relatively easier. If you look at the fourth option, we have A has a power of A, B has a power of B. So when we multiply the first equation with A, I will not have B square or C square. Similarly, I will not have A square anywhere. So it will be a smart move if we happen to multiply the first one with A, the next one with B, next one with C, so that I get A to the power A, we'll get B to the power B, and we'll get C to the power C. And let's see if this makes sense. Okay, so we're trying D option first. So this is going to give us 3AB minus 2AC. The next one is going to give us 5BC minus 3AB. Next one is going to give us 2AC minus 5BC. So if we add, we will have 3AB and minus 3AB will cancel out, minus 2AC plus 2AC, 5BC minus 5BC. So we'll get the RHS as 0. So option D makes sense. A typical question where solving the question part will not result in anything. We'll have to decide how should we proceed depending upon the options.